Project Manager ng LGU Talusan Employees Association, Talusan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Mula sa DA Kadiwa Financial Grant ay ginagawad kay Engineer Julius Daniel, Chairman ng Project Hope Agriculture Cooperative, Talisayan, Zamboanga City. At mula sa DA Kadiwa Financial Grant, ibibigay kay Ginang Sara Borongan, President ng Monching Women's Dried Fish Association, CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. At ang DA National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program Greenhouse Hydroponic na iginagawad kay Ginoong Joel M. Atilan, Vice President ng Lanzones Farmers Association. Mula sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, magbibigay ang ating mahal na Pangulo ng Assistance Certificate na naglalaman ng 1 set tuna drift gillnet, 3 sets mackerel drift gillnet, at 8 rolls PE rope number 10mm, 200 meter kay Mr. Benzar Azula, President ng Basilan Fisher Folks and Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative. Ngayon naman, ang Assistance Certificate na naglalaman ng 2 sets of mackerel drift gillnet kay Mr. Yasser Nayik, President ng Limpapa Indigenous Fisherfolk Association. At ang Assistance Certificate na naglalaman ng 2 sets of mackerel drift gillnet kay Mr. Adolfo Mahare, President ng Pescadores de Labuan. Ang Assistance Certificate na naglalaman ng 2 sets of mackerel drift gillnet kay Mr. Joventino Cabaya Cruz, President ng Pescadores de Patalon. Mula naman sa Department of Labor and Employment, namamahagi ang ating mahal na Pangulo ng tulong panghanap buhay sa ating disadvantaged displaced workers o TUPAD kay Mr. Casmir O. Candido, Barangay Chairman ng Barangay Talon-Talon, Zamboanga City, at igagawad kay Ms. Almariza S. Kalingalan, Barangay Chairwoman ng Barangay San Jose Guzo, Zamboanga City, ang panghuli na yung Joe Robber Agrarian Reform. Muli, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ngayon po, kasalukuyang nakikisalamuha ang ating Pangulo sa ating mga beneficiaries. Maaari na po tayong umupo. Kasalukuyang namamahagi ng bigas ang ating Pangulo sa mga beneficiaries. Muli, kasalukuyang namamahagi ng bigas ang ating Pangulo sa mga beneficiaries. Maaari na po tayong umupo. Para sa panimulang bahagi ng ating programa, inaanyayahan po natin si Mayor John M. Dalipe ng Zamboanga City upang magbigay ng kanyang pambungad na talumpati.
Good morning. Buenos dias. Magandang umaga po. His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. Palakpakan kita. Secretary Gatchalian. Saf Anton Lagdameo Jr. Secretary Diokno. To our District 1 Congressman, Kimer Olaso. District 2 Congressman, Majority Leader Manix Dalipe, represented by Sir Manny Dalipe. Vice Mayor Josephine Pinpin Pareha. NFA Administrator Bioko. Our District Collector, Engineer Art Sevilla. To the other regional directors of the different line agencies, otra vez, buenos dias, good morning. So first of all, I'd like to welcome our President, Bongbong Marcos, to Zamboanga City. Maraming salamat po. We are very honored to have you here to personally inspect this 42,180 smuggled rice. So we are one with you, Mr. President, in this campaign against anti-smuggling activities and hoarding of rice. And maraming salamat din po sa EO 39 on the mandatory imposing on the price ceiling of rice. So malaking